Usain Bolt is a right Jamaica sprinter. He uses one of early and does extension on light workings in the morning. He eats half breaks of the right fruits and protein. He speed time training or working in in his business projects. In the afternoon, he often relaxes listening to music or plays video games. He also enjoys watching football, especially Manchester United. At home, he has dinner, friends or family and goes to the Everly. Usain Bolt was born in the Homely family in Sterling Common, Jamaica. His parents are Will D. and Jennifer Bolt. He was brother and sister. He century in the release with his divinity. They have their children together, using love speech and with his family in of the moments social. He was born on the August 21126. He studied during at the school and quit becoming one of the best after in the world. He won an Olympic gold medal and has was record in the 166 and 266 meters. He speed and smile him and global icon. 2. His rating from Athletic Football is a music DJ and Philippines. Usain Bolt is more than just an athlete. He is inspiration for many people all over the world. His discipline, joy, and talent made history in sport. Thank you for watching my present.